Hey, welcome back to the Punk Uncle Show. It is finally time, you guys. I know it probably doesn't seem like it to you, but it feels like it's taken forever to me to get to this point. We are finally ready to continue with the build of my brand new Evil Following. So hang around, hit the subscribe button. We're going to start putting this thing together. Okay, I got my buddy Chris here to help me with this. We're gonna fit the fork right now, so we're gonna first just do kind of a dry run. We're gonna put it on there with some spacers in the stem and mark it for where we want to cut the steerer tube off. So, bearings on. Hold this. Yeah. I need to slide the bottom of the headset in, don't I? There's the brass, the gold piece of it.
Yeah. That's gonna fit right down that cup, see?
Bang, bang, boom.
It's that little rubber seal in there. We probably should put a little grease on there so it's slips
okay.
on. Good job. Professional.
Okay. It's all the way up there.
Yeah, so I believe you're gonna want one more spacer on here.
Up top.
Whether it's a real thin one.
If I have any more. I mean, I could take one of these skinny ones.
That's, yeah, perfect.
Do it that way. Okay.
So that way when that top cap tightens down, it has something to tighten against other than the stem.
Yeah.
You don't want to tighten down on the stem because the stem's not flat. I've never seen one with the cap just directly on top of the stem. So you want to cut just below that line so that way you have something to tighten onto.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no way I would want any more stack than that, so that should definitely be good. Okay. Fingers crossed, we're about to cut the fork steer. Don't want to make a $900 mistake.
Measure twice, cut once. We measured twice, didn't we?
We're gonna measure once and cut twice. You did it. All right. I'm gonna need some electrolytes now.
Alright, let's get the other one.
We need to round the outside edge too.
We're trying to get this star nut in there without using the proper tools. And what we want to do is center this thing, and I'm thinking these pliers will help that. At least get it started. Harder. There you go. Get this out. I think you're in there for far enough.
You think it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe you could center a little bit better, hit it over here. There, yeah. I think that looks pretty good. What do you think?
It's a little, I need to go a tiny bit this way. I think that's good.
Nice.
Okay.
So another thin layer of grease on top of the bearing,
Enough.
all the way around.
Okay.
Maybe a little more on top there just to help keep the water out.
Let's do that after. Okay. All right. That worked. I think we didn't ruin the fork. Alright, so.
And now you can drop the stem later if you feel you need it lower.
Yeah,
Okay.
that gives us plenty of height, plenty of stack to work with now, and that's obviously the goal, because we don't have saddle height set up, can't get on the bike and ride it and really fit it right now, so you just want to leave plenty of stack here so that you can lower it or leave it high, or adjust bar rise and that kind of thing once you kind of get closer to final fit.
So what's next on this bicycle?
So we're gonna throw these bars on real quick, and then the next project will be getting the wheels and tires on, the whole drivetrain, and running all the cables and housing so we can actually ride it. Maybe a saddle even. We'll see.